So, look. That's the water coming from Pond 1. Boulder. Pond 1. Asa nagikan toy?
Pond 1.
Pond 1. So, even if the tank is higher in elevation than the source, because of the strong water, it still can come out from there. You can see it, Roger, Needs. That's Litoy tending to it. So there are two hoses that they're using to fill this up now. They tried to connect the whole hose up to the other area. Difficult. The water cannot really, the pressure. So we need the overhead tank already. Okay.